wonder how fast it goes. I guess we'll find out.
What's weird is you look in the rearview mirror and there's someone in their car directly behind you. Okay, windows up.
Alright.
Okay, this is starting to freak me out of here. We're just about to go into the tunnel and there we go.
Good morning.
It's still 8 degrees and it's now 5:49.
I just checked the weather and the weather should be okay. This is up in Gornegrat. This is going to be the best day that we're going to have while we're here. We're here 3 nights and today is meant to be the only sunny one. Although at the moment this is what it's looking like.
It's cloudy. You saw a screenshot of what the Matterhorn looks like. We could see kind of blue sky, but clouds covering the peak. I'm pretty sure that's what it's like, man. You wait and then hopefully the clouds will clear and then you can get a shot.
Yeah, walking to Tash train station, and that's going to take us to Zermatt.
And the train just left then.
Well, Zermatt's that way, I think.
Oh, okay.
We've got our tickets. We were able to get tickets from Tash all the way to Gornegrat. We're just waiting on the platform.
That's why we're just waiting on the platform.
15 minutes. Alright, so we might see you in Zermatt.
Zermatt, so tschüss. On our way to where is it? To Zermatt? Yeah. And then to Matterhorn. No, I'm making words.
Did you call it
The Matterhorn.
Oh, yeah.
The Gornegrat.
6:30 and it doesn't open till 6:50 and the train's meant to leave at 7, so shouldn't be too long. We're just going to take a walk up through the town.
Foggy. So Ange has a theory that we're going to get above the clouds. We're at Revelberg. Any second now we'll be shooting above the clouds. Any second.
We'll see who's right. You gotta risk it for the biscuit.
Through the cloud lanes.
I was so right.
Oh dear Lord. So we're recording. So what did you say, Ange? That we need to risk it for the biscuit?
Yeah.
Well, let's have a little look at the biscuit.
Getting a shot quickly before the clouds cover it.
First thing we should say is it's cold.
It's kind of freezing. It's definitely glove weather.
Which I don't have.
Oh, you didn't have them?
I didn't bring them.
Oh.
I just stupidly said, I won't need them. So what we will say is first, thanks Ange for that coffee. That is just a lifesaver.
Yes. Wait, I have to show you. in my Starbucks mug.
Secondly, I'm doing 2 time lapses because I think this is the good sort of weather for time lapses. 1, 2.
Ben's just grabbed the GoPro off me, but he doesn't know it's attached to my hand.
So what we were just saying about the Matterhorn, really happy we get to see it, but it's nowhere near as big as what I thought it would be. What about you?
I don't know. It's a mountaintop.
It's an interesting peak, but for some reason in my head I thought it was giant.
Yeah.
Right, we've got work to do.
Yes, photo taking. Okay, we have taken a few selfies, got some good shots I think. Might even show them to you right now. I'm finding a sunny spot to just go and camp out. The lid of my Starbucks, like the metal is
It's like contracted and
contracting. I was trying to think of the opposite of expanding. Yeah, and it's like the top of it's popped off. Wow, look at those clouds.
Come on, fingers. I really wish I brought gloves now.
Come up to the top because I saw some mountain goats. Here they are. What are you doing?
Drown yourself in the neon. You came to this place to hide away in the dark. You tell yourself you need to move on, but when night in the shadows can ease your broken heart.
This is a bit scary. And it makes me more nervous when there's a breeze blowing. Right, I'm walking up a bit further. Can't take photos because he took the camera off me. I guess when you compare all of the mountain peaks, the Matterhorn is the highest, so it does look impressive.
Before, when I was just doing my last little time lapse over there, I was actually really enjoying myself. I was loving it. It's very peaceful, and the thing I like about doing the time lapses, when we're sort of doing video and trying to capture video and photos, we just rush. But then when you actually do a time lapse, especially when I'm using both of the cameras, my little cameras, I'm forced to stop for 10-20 minutes or whatever, and you can really then just kind of take in everything.
It was nice sitting in the sun as well.
Yeah,
but now it's a bit busy.
it's kind of hit that point.
I'm sure it's not the busiest that it will get.
But
I'm sure
look,
it gets really packed.
so we got the first train up, and it was pretty much perfect. It was the 7 o'clock train. It's the first one.
Yeah.
And it was completely cloudy. We broke through the clouds, and it was like, and it was just amazing. And the cloud sat still and let us get shots of all these amazing shots. Down at the level below the Matterhorn and all these other things, and then but now, because it's sort of heating up, the clouds just coming up from the valley, and it just keeps obscuring all the mountain tops, and then they clear, but it's just an ongoing sort of obscure of the mountains. So definitely get the first one up. Definitely. That's all I was going to say. That's
All right.
it for the top of. What are we calling this? Oh, it's Gorgonzola. So from Gorgonzola, we are signing out, and we're going to say tschüss.
Yeah, cheers.
And we're going to head down to the train, and the next stop will be the Lindt Cafe in Zermatt.
Yes.
So we'll
Zermatt.
see. Zermatt. Okay.
Night in the shadows can ease your broken heart. They turn the volume up, you shut your mind. Wanna escape your thoughts.
We made it.
We got a seat.
We got a seat.
Close your eyes.
Doing some good timing there. It was
Yeah.
a push.
Yes.
people were literally barging us through, but I stood my ground to let Ange through first so she could get a seat. Then I came in.